Hi, I'm JJ. Today, I'll be teaching you guys some computer programming concepts. First, I'll be teaching about algorithms, then pseudocode, and finally, programming errors. Algorithms are mostly used in computers, but we human beings also use algorithms in our daily lives. For example, do you ever bake a cake following a recipe? Well, a recipe is a set of instructions used in preparing a dish. Or, when we do the laundry, it takes steps to sort between different colored clothes. Or, when serving a volleyball, we first hold the ball on one hand, throw it vertically, then take a step forward, jump, and smash it. These activities require a series of step-by-step process to achieve them. They are algorithms. So basically, an algorithm is a step-by-step instructions, when followed, will achieve a specific outcome or problem. Algorithms are used a lot in computers, web, games, and machines to solve many problems as they can run algorithms really fast and efficient. Some examples of algorithms used in computer science are Google search. When we search something in Google, Google will use a binary search algorithm which sort and rank websites based on their ratings and page views. The website that shows up first in your search results are probably the best based on their algorithm. Another example is when we're looking up for directions in the map. It will run through a series of calculations algorithms to find the shortest route it takes to your destination. Describing algorithms requires a notation to express the sequence of steps to be performed. There are a few ways that we can represent or express algorithms. We can express them either using flowcharts, pseudocodes, or real programming language. Pseudocodes is an English-like way to express algorithms. Basically, pseudocodes are written in such a way that someone can read algorithms even without any computer programming knowledge. We must prevent from using any syntax and must be following a sequence when you write pseudocodes. Here is an example of body mass index algorithm expressed in pseudocode. It is used to determine whether you are in a healthy weight range. We must first write begin to show that it is the start of the program. Then we get values of weight and height. This line is for calculating your body mass index. After that, we start the selection construct with another begin. If the calculated BMI is greater than 25, then it will display overweight. Else if it's more than 18 but less than 24, display normal. And if none of the conditions are met, display underweight. Finally, we finish every pseudocode construct with an AND word. This is a mistake that we often made by myself and students. I got deduct 1 mark cause I wrote 4 equals 2. And it is not clear what I meant by equals 2. Instead, we should write 4 2 times. Now, I'll be talking about programming errors. Regardless of which programming language you use, whether it's JavaScript, Python, C++, there are 3 basic common types of computer programming errors we programmers will encounter when developing our computer programs. It is also what we normally call bugs in our program. Dealing with these bugs may sometimes be frustrating when we can't solve them. To better solve these bugs, we must first understand how and where did they come from. These are 3 types of errors: syntax error, logic error, and execution error. Syntax error is an error in the spelling or grammar used when coding. For example, in this line of simple code, I forgot a semicolon to end the line of code statement and program will not even run. Logic error is a mistake in a program's source code that result in incorrect or unexpected behavior. It can be the most difficult type of errors to track down. For example, assigning a value to the wrong variable may cause a series of unexpected program errors to occur. Multiplying 2 numbers instead of adding them together may also produce unwanted results. An example of logic error in this pseudocode is the average value is false, because to end the program, the user is required to key in 0 in marks, which includes in the total students. We do not want that. Instead, we should change it from a post-test loop to a pre-test loop, like that. Execution error is due to an illegal operation during execution. It only becomes evident during runtime. An execution error occurs when a program is asked to do something that it cannot, resulting in a crash. The widely used example of a runtime error is asking a program to divide by 0. Another example is when an attempt is made to access item 11 in an array with only 10 elements.